I'm currently trading 2 grid systems very successfully. One of them has made over 50% profit in my funded account, and the other one has grown by over 160%. But you need to stop trading grid systems unless you... Hi, my name is Petko, a professional forex trader, and today I'll show you my funded accounts with DAWINX. So if you go to tradingacademy.com and you click on the results, you will find the funded accounts, where you can see that on the second spot we have the account with the Trade Explorer that achieved over 50% of gain. And if I show you the track record, you will see that initially this account started to lose, but this was because I was using a different expert advisor, and the Trade Explorer actually recovered the balance. There were 2 drawdowns, but overall a very profitable account. If I drag on my recording screen the VPS where I have the DAWINX account, you will see that at the moment I have 90,000 euro assets under management, and I'm participating in the Darwania Silver. My current position is 520, and you will see that I received a total of 115,000 euro allocation, and just a little bit higher you can see the performance per month. Overall I have a total return of 13.22% in this account. So with the silver status, I am trading capital under management that is coming from DAWINX itself, and when you achieve the gold status, which I'll show in a second with my other account, then you open your account to investors and you can get much more capital. If I show the MetaTrader platform where I have the Trade Explorer, you will see that currently I have negative $1,600 as a floating loss, and in the account history you can see all of the trades that I executed. If I scroll higher and I show you the comment stop, you will notice that the Trade Explorer I started trading right at that moment, and this was on the 28th of July 2023. So I'm trading the Trade Explorer for over a year now in this DAWINX account. And in the next video that I'll publish in the channel, I'll dive into more details about the Trade Explorer. And the next account I want to show you is with even better balance chart. You can see what a steady growth starting from the end of last year. So for over 8 months this account has been really profitable, and it brought a return of over 150%. You should stop trading grid systems when there are such results. The answer is right here. I will show you the equity, and you will see that a few times there were those huge drawdowns, but they all recovered, and another drawdown and another drawdown and a few more recently, but they all recovered because there is a lot of capital in this account from DAWINX. I'll drag and drop it from that monitor, and you will see that with this account I'm participating in Darwania Gold, and the current position is 15 out of 175, which is not bad at all. If you look at the performance, you'll see that I don't have a losing month. The total return is above 26%, and in one of my next videos I will dive into the details of how I achieved the gold status. But if I show the MetaTrader platform, you will see that balance is above $260,000 in this account. So the key point here is that I succeed in trading profitably in these huge DAWINX accounts because I have a lot of margin. And you should stop trading grid systems unless you trade them on huge accounts. Funded accounts. I'm not saying go and fund a huge live account. That would be a stupid move. I'm saying there are platforms like DAWINX that allow us to trade grid systems. So I'm not placing any new grid systems on live trading accounts. If I show you the live accounts, you will see that the last one there is the Waka Waka, which I've set quite a long time on a little bit bigger live account. account, but since then I am trading Grid trading systems only on DAWinx and not on live accounts. I don't suggest you go for challenges and prop firms because obviously the chance that you will lose the challenge is huge. So the Grid machine is performing really well. I also requested withdrawals. One time I've had a withdrawal of 815 euro, the second time 420 euro, so in total that was 1236.23 euro. But the risk I'm taking in this account is huge. The Grid machine is a free robot, it makes huge profits, but since it blew a few of my live accounts, I'm not really recommending it, and that's the reason we haven't placed it on the website, because it's simply a risky expert advisor. I mean, all of the Grid trading robots are risky. That is why I dedicated this video to show that they work well only on funded accounts, and especially with DAWinx. I will leave the coupons down below so you can sign up with 20% off their monthly subscription, and starting this month they will have 12-month and 36-month subscriptions for the serious traders. I'll leave the coupons down below in the description, guys. So let me know in the comments, did you have experience with Grid systems blowing your account? I know you had, because I've been speaking to many of you on one-on-one calls. I saw plenty of comments, and I decided to dedicate this video to show you that Grid systems work really well only on funded accounts, or let's say on huge accounts when there is enough margin to recover these drawdowns. And the next video I will dedicate to the Trade Explorer and the funded account that I've been running for over a year now, and after that I will show you the golden status account, which I finally succeeded to get. But those I will leave for the next videos, and now I wish you safe trading. Before you go, check out this video on my side and you will learn more about how DAWinx withdrawal works. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!